welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code, one of the most powerful code editor out there. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, Visual Studio Code provides you a powerful and user-friendly environment and interface for writing code. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of coding or looking to switch to a new code editor, you have come to the right place. Let's get it started. I will not waste your much time. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to download and install Visual Studio Code. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and now you are ready to explore the features and capabilities of the fantastic code editor. Remember, Visual Code is continuously upgrading, so make sure you have to keep it up to date. If you have any questions or any queries, comment below and I will happy to answer you all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any video from my channel. So I will upload new content. Up till now, happy coding. Thanks for watching.